we are solving three major problems in this home renovation. Number one, car parking space creation. Number two, Vastu Correction. Number three, Skylight Creation. Let me take you through this 30 years old home renovation that is located in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. This is a 30 years old G+1 house. On the ground floor, it has a cramped 2-bedroom house without car parking space. So, we are renovating this house to create a car parking space by demolishing this bedroom wall and extending it for car parking. The biggest challenge here is it is a load-bearing structure. For providing strength to this structure, once this wall is removed, we construct an ISM beam to transfer the load. This is how we are creating a car parking space in this load-bearing house. Coming to the Vastu Correction. This is a north-facing house. The kitchen of this house is in southwest corner. This is a blunder as per Vastu. So, we are making structural changes here as per Vastu and creating a kitchen in southeast corner, which is ideal direction for kitchen. To achieve that, we are demolishing the existing kitchen that is in southwest corner and we are creating a modular kitchen in southeast corner by making structural changes. This structural change involves renovating this existing common bath area on the southeast corner. Take a look at the proposed design. One of the bedroom we are converting as a guest bedroom. We are constructing a new bathroom which has access from guest bedroom. We are creating a puja room entrance here. Contemporary interior design will be done for interior renovation. This old unit will be replaced with modern TV unit. Take a look at the design. Skylight Creation. Why do we need skylight here? I will show you why. This is the present light condition on the ground floor. To get more natural light into the house, especially on the ground floor, we are creating skylight here. On the first floor, we are renovating the master bedroom this way. Also, we are renovating the bathrooms. We are remodeling this space to accommodate washing machine. This is the design proposed. We are constructing a private room on the terrace of this house and we are remodeling the front elevation of this house. So, this is about this 30 years old home renovation in Basaveshwar Bangalore. For old home renovation in Bangalore, call us today. For updates on this project and for more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.